Good afternoon, everyone. So today we'll see how to make an interactive diagrams using PowerPoint. So here is this diagram, and then we want to make this diagram into this completely new diagram made of colors. And it's pretty easy to make it on PowerPoint. So let's see how to do this. First of all, make a new slide. And now you wish to find a diagram. So go to Google. Here in Google, type now project. Go here. As you can see, I've already made an account. You can also make an account and it's free of cost. Now type box because you want to take a box, right? Now here's the diagram. Click over here. Now this site is a pretty useful site as it contains many different 3D models and then you can actually download it for free. So click on get this icon. Here you can use pro download or basic download. In pro download you have to pay a fees of 2.99 royalty and then you can use it anywhere. But if you use basic download, then you have to give credits to the author. That is created by Flutter, Flutart. Now go to continue and then download this icon in PNG or SVG. But here we will use PNG. As you can see, I have downloaded this as item. So go back to PowerPoint. Now go to insert pictures and insert the downloaded picture over in the PowerPoint. So we can see here is the image. Now we'll insert it and yeah. So since we are not using it anywhere, so we'll just crop it. We have cropped it and now readjust the size. Once you readjust the size, now we want to paint it. How to actually do that? So we'll go to insert shapes and then we'll go to freeform. Once you click freeform, here you can see a line. Then make again a line. Again and then you can create a freeform in a shape of a parallelogram. Here it doesn't matter how the shape of this will be, and this will be understandable at the end of this lecture. So again go to insert freeform and then make the same thing for this part. Once you create it, do this again for every other part. I'll just do it for every other part. Over here, we have to create two of these. And this will be understandable because over here there are two different colors. This is brown and this is yellow. So we have to make two of these, the freeform shapes. So first we'll create a freeform of the lower one. Tada. And do the same thing for the above portion. So we'll go to shape, freeform, and then do the same thing again. Since we can see it is all covered by the freeform shapes. Now click every one of it and the whole diagram and then make it as a group. Now click on the images that you want to change the color. So go to shape format and change the color to a light blue. Correct. Now click these two pictures and change the shape color to a grayish color like this, or maybe a darker one like this. Then over here change the color to a blue, not a blue, a yellow color like this, or maybe a brighter yellow color like this. Over here let's change it to a brown color. So what you can actually do is go to more colors and then choose mocha over here. Now click every other diagram like this and send it to backwards. Correct. Now here is the diagram that you want. You can use Noun Project and MS PowerPoint to create the colorful diagrams of your own. Thank you.